Hey guys, so recently one of my friends asked me if I wanted to do a video about their brand to show you guys, so I said yes. Now I've known this person for years and years and years, and they are super popular on Instagram and stuff at the minute, and that is Bones Cult. It's mainly, I would say, like 90% jewellery, but they also do like a few t-shirts and hats and stuff at the minute, but all of the stuff that I have today is jewellery. Now I always get questioned, I would say on most of my videos, about whatever jewellery I'm wearing, like my rings, whatever necklaces I'm wearing, all that kind of stuff. So I just thought that you guys would be interested in this stuff because it's very like alternative, spooky, that kind of thing. So I have all of these little envelopes that are filled with stuff that I'm going to show you, and this is their information for anyone that needs it. So it's www.bonescult.co.uk and their Instagram is bones_cult. And then there was some little stickers in here as well. So there was this one and this Krampus looking one, and then just a little Bones Cult one. And I'm just gonna get started and open these. So I don't know what order they're in, I'm just gonna pick randomly and show you each thing. So the first one we have is this one. Now they're all a silver colour, I'm pretty sure they are stainless steel. Some of them have like an extendable chain so you can make it shorter or longer, and some of them don't, so I will point that out. But this is the first one, which says Loser in their kind of own spiky sort of font. So like I said, this one can either be shorter or longer. I'll put a few on in a minute, that's why I'm not wearing any necklaces today, because I thought I would show some of these. But yeah, this is the first one, and this one is £15 for anyone who is wondering. Then next we have this one. This one is, okay, so this is another quite similar one, and this one is the 666. I did wear another one kind of a little bit similar to this the other day in a video, and everyone was asking where I got it from, so if you liked that necklace then you will probably like this one. Again, this one has an extendable chain on it, and this one is £15 as well. So that is our second one. I'll try and feel for something a little different this time. Let's see. Okay, I think this one's earrings, so we'll have a look in this one. Yeah, okay. So next we have these very cute little hoops, which are kind of heart-shaped cobweb, and the little top bit like clicks open and then like pops back shut. So that is those two. Now obviously they can either be worn in just normal pierced ears, or you can put them through stretched ears. These ones don't necessarily work through your like tunnels or whatever. There is some soon that I'm going to show, and you can put them through this jewellery, but these ones you have to take this out. Sorry, I know people don't like the whole hole. So you can either wear them like this, some people like this look, like the whole ear weight kind of look, or you can put the ear tunnel back in kind of over the top of that, if that makes sense, so it's sort of like underneath there. So that is what they look like. I'm not a massive earring kind of girl, I don't really ever wear earrings, so it's very weird to see earrings in my ears, but I think they are really, really cool though. And then there is also, like I said, another very similar one, which is this one, and these ones say love and hate. So one says love, one says hate. They're pretty much exactly the same as these, but just a different design. Now with these ones, because there is a big gap here, unlike these ones, you can actually just put these ones straight through the actual like tunnel itself, which is a little easier, but they are both really cute. So there is those. Now I'm going to take these out just because we do have some more earrings to show, so I'm going to show you those ones as well. But they are £18 each, I believe. And then next we have these big huge hoop earrings, so I'm going to do these ones next to put them in my ears for the rest of the video. And this is what they look like. They're barbed wire hoops, and they come in two different styles. So you can either get these ones, which are for the stretched ears, or you can get ones with little hooks on for normal pierced ears. And basically these are just really stretchy metal. So you like unhook it like I just did, put it through the tunnel, and then like lock it back together. They do bend out of shape a tiny little bit, so you have to kind of make them a circle again, but they're really cool though. So they do loads of different sizes in these. They do a lot smaller ones that start at £12, I believe, and then the bigger ones go up to like £15 or something, so still super cheap. Like all of this jewellery is crazy cheap for what it is. It's such good quality and stuff. And that is what those look like. Now I don't really have a mirror, I've just got my like viewfinder, so I can't tell if I've kind of bent them out of shape, but that is those anyway. Then next we have some more necklaces. So there is this one. Okay, this one I think is my favourite one that they do, and it's just a little sad face, like a little emoji kind of sad face. He's called Frank apparently, and he is £15. Again, has the extendable chain. I'm gonna put him on actually because I've not put any on yet, so let's put little Frank on. Oh, the earrings are in the way. So that is little Frank. Then we have this necklace, and this one is another word one like the loser one, which says sad. Again, has an extender. This one goes really cute with little Frank because he's a sad face, so the word sad kind of goes with it. I'm going to put this one on too. We'll put it down the extender more though, so it hangs lower than the other one. I have to move all of my hair out of the way. Oh my gosh, that was stupid. I should have put it on the other way. Okay, so now we have, I mean, usually if I was wearing it I would probably do it a little further up like here, but that's fine. So we've got sad with our little sad Frank face, and then we have two more left. So the next one is this one, which is really cute. I feel like this is kind of a lot different than the other ones that they do. This one is just a pentacle or pentagram. Literally every time I say pentacle or pentagram, someone says it's the opposite one. According to Google, this is a pentacle, okay, because it's in a circle. So we're just going to say that this is a pentacle. These ones are £12, so I think this is the cheapest one in this lot that they have. And this one doesn't have an extendable chain, it is just this length. So there is that one. And then the last one, which is super pretty, is this big chunk of crystal. It's kind of like wrapped in wire to keep it in there. Apparently this is a fluorite, I believe, and I think this one's also £15, so there is that one. This one doesn't have an extendable chain either, so this one and the pentagram one don't have extenders, but the other necklaces all do. I'm going to also put this 666 one on high up because why not? I might as well show you all of them. Okay, so this isn't all of the jewellery they sell. They do sell some other stuff as well, but they do like these big hoops that say Girl Gang, and I think there's maybe a few more necklaces and stuff, but these are just the ones that I said that I really like. So just to quickly go over them again, there is the one that says Loser, which is 15. There is the little pentacle, which is 12. There is the big chunk of a crystal, which is 15. There is the heart cobweb earrings, which are 18. The heart love and hate earrings, which are 18. The 666 necklace, which is 15. The little sad franc is 15. The word sad is 15. And then these barbed wire hoops are between 12 and 15, I think. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will put the link down below for Bones Cult in case you want to go and check them out. I absolutely love their stuff. I think my favourite things would probably be these two, the 666 and the little sad one. They are adorable, and I'm sure you will see me wearing these a lot in my videos. I'm also going to be doing a big giveaway soon because I've just hit 50k, so I might actually buy one of these 666s to put in the giveaway to give to you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.